Every woodworking shop needs a vacuum for cleaning up, but how about one that's also super quiet with tool activation and a premium quality filter? Well, that's what you'll get with Rockler's Dust tool activated HEPA Dust Extractor. This machine might look like the typical mid-size shop vacuum, and it's up to task for all of the usual shop vacuum jobs. But it's called a Dust Extractor for a reason. Let's take a closer look at several important features that set it apart. The first is filtration. This extractor has a HEPA premium quality pleated cartridge filter. The HEPA filter removes up to 99.97% of dust particles as small as 0.3 microns. So you can vacuum up the finest dust your woodworking machines produce without concern that some of it is just being blown back into the air again. This HEPA cartridge is made of a durable filter media that's washable for a long service life. And when it finally wears out, Rockler offers replacements. Here's the second must-have feature: tool activation. Its onboard 110-volt socket powers a saw, router, sander, or other tool you're using up to a 7-amp draw. When the tool starts, the dust extractor starts. It also has a shut-off delay that runs the motor for 5 more seconds after the tool shuts off to clear any residual dust. A third impressive feature of this machine is how quiet it is. Listen. If you've ever had a shop vacuum that's so ear-splittingly loud you feel like you're standing next to a jet engine, you're going to love this improvement. The extractor operates at less than 70 decibels, which is well within the NIOSH recommended exposure limit of 85 decibels, in which hearing protection is recommended. But the real measure of a shop vacuum or dust extractor is its performance at sucking up dust and debris. And Rockler has engineered this machine to stand and deliver in that regard. Its powerful 8-amp motor produces 85 cubic feet per minute of suction, so it'll make quick work of your big shop cleanup jobs. And the plastic 9-gallon capacity tank will hold a lot of debris. All that dry dust and debris ends up inside this disposable paper filter bag, which makes cleanup convenient. You don't have to dump the tank and raise a cloud of dust in the process. Just detach the bag from its port in the tank and throw it away. The HEPA filter is easy to clean too. If it clogs with dust, push this filter cleaning button 4 or 5 times. A pulse cleaning feature dislodges the dust so you don't have to remove and clean the cartridge manually. If you leave the paper filter bag off, this dust extractor and its washable plastic tank are suitable for wet cleanup jobs too. And there are many more good standard features. Like all the best shop vacuums, it comes with 2 extension wands, a floor brush, a utility nozzle, and a crevice tool. And they all store on the 4 caster assemblies. You get 12 feet of ribbed hose that locks securely to the dust tank port so it won't fall out, and it stows conveniently on the machine under this rubber strap. Rockler also includes this handy adapter that makes the hose compatible with many 2¼ inch inside diameter Dust fittings, couplers, and ports. The tank port also fits hoses from Rockler's popular Dust Flexiport power tool hose kits. Or you can add a Flexiport Click Connect adapter for shop vacuum hoses to the extractor's hose, so the hose works with any Click Connect accessory. With all these standard features and capabilities, here's a machine that'll be useful around the shop for a variety of household cleanup chores or for vacuuming out the car, boat, or camper. 20 feet of power cord offers lots of reach from wall outlets, and it winds up neatly under the handle when you're done. The extractor weighs less than 24 pounds when the tank is empty, so it's easy to lift and carry. And oversized 3-inch casters can navigate rough surfaces wherever your cleanup tasks may be. Rockler's Dust tool-activated HEPA Dust Extractor promises to be the best all-around shop, home, and vehicle cleanup tool you own. See it at your local Rockler store or learn more at rockler.com. I'm Chris Marshall with Woodworkers Journal Magazine and Rockler, and thanks for watching.